Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today our topic is the plastid. And what are plastid? Actually, plastids are the specialized cells which contain the pigments, and there are different types of plastids which are found only in the plant cells, not in the animal cells. So sometimes they also synthesize or reserves the substances also. There are three main kinds of plastid, but other kinds of plastids are also present, like lyoplast, amyloplast, proteinoplast, etc. But the three major parts are the leuco, chloro, and chromo. Leuco parts are the white color plastids, and they are colorless in nature, and they stored nutrient material, and they are majority found on the stems and the roots of the plant cells. Chloroplasts are mostly found in the green coloring part of the plant cell, like leaves, and they contain the green coloring material which is called as the chlorophyll, which perform the function of photosynthesis. And chromoplast consists on the color part of the plant body, like fruits and the flowers, and they contain all the colors except the green. Chloroplasts are called as the energy converting organelles, and why it is called as, because it converts the solar energy into the chemical energy, that is food energy. यानी कि सोलर एनर्जी को, लाइट एनर्जी को फूड एनर्जी के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर देता है, और जिस प्रोसेस के थ्रू कन्वर्ट करा है दैट प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज दी फोटोसिंथेसिस. क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो है वो उस ग्रुप से बिलोंग करता है विच इज़ अ डबल मेम्ब्रेनस बाउंडेड स्ट्रक्चर, एंड दे कंटेन दी क्लोरोफिल्स एंड इट्स एसोसिएटेड प्रोटीन्स ऑल्सो. तो द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द क्लोरोप्लास्ट is to perform the function of the photosynthesis. Structure and function of the chloroplast consists on three main parts: thylakoid, grana, and stroma. Thylakoids are the flattened sac-like structure inside the chloroplast. Membranous structure is found. Grana, the stacks of the thylakoids is called as the grana, and singularly they are called as the granum. And the fluid which is present in the chloroplast is called as the stroma. During the photosynthesis, what will happen? Light energy is converted into the food energy, and the molecules turns this or transfer this energy in a form of ATP and other carrier molecules also, and this whole process called as the light reaction. The energy carrier diffuses into the stroma, where their energy is used to drive the synthesis of sugar from carbon dioxide. And due to this movement of energy from one form to another, chloroplast is an energy converting organelle, and this whole process called as the light reaction. And in the stroma, other reaction is also takes place, which is called as the dark reaction. लाइट रिएक्शन के अंदर क्या होता है? सनलाइट जो होती है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाती है इनटू दी, स्ट्राइक करती है थैलाकॉइड से और कन्वर्ट हो जाती है इनटू द फूड एनर्जी, और एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल्स वगैरह भी रिलीज आउट होते हैं. ये एक पूरा होल प्रोसेस है विच वी विल डिस्कस इन लेटर. आपको क्लोरोप्लास्ट नज़र आ रहा है, इसके आउटर मेम्ब्रेन होती है, इनर मेम्ब्रेन होती है, फ्लैटेंड सेक्स जो है वो थैलाकॉइड है, पूरा सेक जो लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है वो ग्रैनम कहला रहा है, और जो फ्लूइड मटेरियल जो इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है, जिसके अंदर एंजाइम्स होते हैं, वो आपका क्या कहलाता है? स्ट्रोमा. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.